Hi everybody and welcome to the World of Micah. We are at Universal Studios Islands of Adventure, where today we're going to be taking a closer look at the VelociCoaster. The walls are down. The construction walls are down and there's some new merchandise and I thought you guys would want to see it. I've been looking forward to this coaster since it was announced. Still no opening day, but some progress has been made. We're going to take a closer look. If you're new here, click that subscribe button. If you want to support my channel, down below is a link. It'll take you to my Patreon page. Now, let's take a closer look. Walking through Toon Lagoon, I can see the coaster right there, the VelociCoaster, the top portion of the highest point of the coaster. Man, that's awesome. We're gonna go to Jurassic Park first, and then we might stop back by over here to see what it looks like from Bluto's. Officially in Jurassic Park now. We're gonna stop by the Outfitters to see if there's any merchandise. But first, I wanna come over here and see the coaster with the walls down. Oh, heck yeah. Look at this. Look at this. I have not seen it like this. Let's see if I can, there we go. Wow, look at that. Now that's cool. The coaster, the waterfall, the rock work. Wow. I'm gonna continue around to see what it looks like over here. Now this is obviously themed to be walled up. And over here is the Raptor Encounter. But let's see if there's any more. Yep, there's some more openings. I see some people over here taking photos. Everybody's wanting to get a peek. And this looks like something very interesting. Look at this. You can see some of the track right here. Look at the details up here. It's like a watchtower up there. I was seeing some of this stuff, you know, above the construction walls, but not this down here. This is very intriguing. It's happening. It is totally happening. Now, I'm sure they're testing it today. We're gonna wait and see if there's any vehicles testing while I'm over here. Yeah, it might be pretty. But this is cool. So the walls are down. Looking at the attraction from this point of view, as you can see, pretty cool. Now this part right here is gonna stay completely walled up, but from what we've seen so far, that's about it. It's kind of awesome. I'm gonna get some more shots. Just noticed this. I've never noticed that before. I'm gonna head back to the first spot over here. This is probably the most beautiful part of the attraction. Look at this. I mean, I know there's a bar in front of us, but look at that detail in the water. Really don't want to stick my camera through there again. Well, I can do this. Look at that. That is just too pretty to me. All that waterfall, the details. Man, I'm ready for this thing to start testing, because this would be a pretty cool angle, you know? See that coaster. I can't wait to ride this bad boy. I need an opening date, guys. I need an opening date. I was looking through the nooks and crannies of this trying to find Blue. Wasn't able to see Blue anywhere. Not yet, at least. But nonetheless, I'm kind of hanging out right now. Kind of stationary, just waiting for something to happen. Kind of ridiculous. You get excited about walls being torn down in theme parks so you can see some tracks. But I'm here for it. I keep hearing sounds of raptors, and it's Blue from over at the Raptor Encounter. I keep thinking I'm hearing it from the attraction here, but that's not the case. Kind of got me excited there for a hot second. I want to try and find some merchandise. And we have merchandise. Here we go. Look at this. Brand new t-shirt. VelociCoaster with the track. I like that it has the actual track from the attraction on here. They have that in a hoodie, a tank top, children's sizes over here. Look at this. Caught my, what could go wrong? Caught my attention. Little shot glass, coffee mug. Wow. Oh yeah, must go faster. I love it. Some socks. You can even get some Dino Pals with you. This is great. Oh, there's a tank top over here for Blue. Now it's right across from the pizza place and the Raptor Encounter. Very fitting. This area is all about some Velociraptors. If you didn't know, they bred raptors here. And there's like a deep V, almost like a woman's cut shirt here. Not sure what you would really call that, but Jurassic World and Jurassic Park, and even a Velociraptor mask. I was hoping they had VelociCoaster mask, but I mean, hey, that's pretty close. It's cool. Even some trading pins. You got a 3-pack here, and then a main one right here. Even a lanyard to match it. That's cool. Oh wow, it gives some specs of the coaster there. 1G max acceleration, 0 to 50 miles per hour in 30 seconds. Man. Exactly. What could go wrong? We must go faster. Yeah, you know, 0 to 50 miles an hour. That's pretty quick, you know. Especially with the things they have on the track. It's like those magnetic strips like they have out at Busch Gardens on the cheetah hunt. Those things really push, like really, really push. Now, I am no coaster enthusiast. I do not know all the terms of coasters, nor do I pretend to act like I know anything. But I know that 0 to 50 in 30 seconds is pretty quick. Now, this is right next to Burger Digs. These walls are not coming down. These are here to stay, part of the theming, but we're gonna walk over to where we can see the other side of this. Now, this is the designated smoking area, but this will be where the entrance for the VelociCoaster will be eventually. This will be the entrance. You can see the Raptors actually right above. They're still wrapped, but that's them. You can see one right there and the other one right here. So that's where you'll be walking in, which is kind of cool. You'll get a cool view of the coaster as you're walking into the queue. And it's right next to the visitor center, the Discovery Center here. So cool theming, kind of into it, but there is a wall still here, but that's gonna be it right there. Oh, and by the way, you can pick up certain VelociCoaster merchandise here at the Jurassic Outfitters, which is the exit store from the River Adventure. Just FYI, they do have merchandise here. Heading back into Toon Lagoon now, although this is walled up. We are heading into Toon Lagoon. Gonna head over back behind the Popeye ride to see what we can see of the VelociCoaster from there. I was totally gonna go to Mythos, but I figured this would probably be a better plan of action because we already saw the entrance and the Velociraptors at the entrance. So now we can see what it looks like from Popeyes, because I don't know, I feel like you can get a better angle from back there. Sweet Haven has never let me down before. It's always given me some sweet views. No pun intended. Just head behind me ship the olive and we'll get some VelociCoaster views. Well, hopefully. Yeah, if you never knew this was back here, now you do. There's a little path right behind the Popeye attraction. You can actually see the Popeye attraction from this path. It'll give you some cool views of the Hulk coaster, but also some pretty cool views of the VelociCoaster. Just wanted to see if it was any different since they've removed the walls on the other side. Wasn't sure if there were any changes on this side. Man, this looks so good from the last time I was here. Last time I was here, it wasn't this completed. I mean, they're testing it, so it is complete. But you can head all the way down here, which is where we're gonna go now. That would be super awesome if they started testing it. Oh, they've got this barricaded, so this is as close as we can get right here. Got some media filming it. Helicopters up here. I've seen a few helicopters. Everyone wants to get a taste of the VelociCoaster. That is a huge, huge drop. I'm excited. I'm very excited. Look at this thing. Seeing a lot of the construction workers still out and about walking around. But no sign of the coaster testing. I haven't seen anything, no announcements being made over the intercom in there. Normally, you know, when they test something, they'll make an announcement. Just letting people know, you know, stand clear of the track. Haven't heard anything like that. But this is cool nonetheless. I can't believe it. I remember when there were just rumors about this being built. And now we're getting even closer with the walls being down and official merchandise has been released. That's progress for you. So originally my plan was to go over here to Mythos to see if I could film the entrance, which is right over in that area. Right over there, you can see the VelociRaptor wrapped. But I feel like we got a better look from walking over where the Ford Explorer was. The smoking area that I showed you guys. That will no longer be a smoking area once the attraction opens. But if you want to go see those VelociRaptors wrapped in the, I believe it's cellophane. If you want to go see them wrapped up, you can. You can easily walk over there and see that. Pretty cool. Well, I've been sitting around waiting for quite some time to see something happen over here, and it's not, at least while I'm here. I'm sure other folks who are going to be filming this will get some on-ride footage, but that's not the case for my episode. But hey, that gives you an excuse to go and watch someone else's episode, you know. Spread the love and share the love. But this was fun. This was a lot of fun. I normally don't do these kinds of episodes, you know. Go out and show something new, like walls being down or something. It just was a happy accident. I was working on a project over at Universal Studios for a future upload that you guys will see very soon. And I got word that the walls were down via social media, and I decided, hey, I'll walk over next door and get some shots. Why not? That's why I was filming on my phone today. Normally I'm with the camera, but decided to grab this last minute on the phone just so I can edit and upload it for you guys and you can see it. But you guys will see that other episode I was filming over at Universal Studios very soon. I think some of you are going to be quite pleased. A lot of people have been commenting about it. No spoilers. Well, you guys, we came, we saw, we got to witness the track without the walls up and see some pretty cool views of the VelociCoaster that's coming very soon to Universal Studios Islands of Adventure at Universal Orlando Resort. We got to see some cool merchandise, pins, lanyards, t-shirts, pretty cool stuff. Lots of stuff to look forward to here at Islands of Adventure, especially if you're a fan of Jurassic Park. I'm a pretty big fan. I love classic Jurassic Park. And Jurassic World is pretty cool too. I'm excited to have a coaster in Jurassic Park. It's gonna be cool, but I think our adventure for today has come to an end. This was a lot of fun. Like I said, I normally don't do these kind of videos of, you know, breaking news or anything kind of too current like this. This was kind of an adventure for me, and I don't know, if you guys like this kind of stuff, click that thumbs up button. It lets me know, and maybe I can do more things like this in the future. You know, kind of shake things up just a tad bit here on the World of Micah adventure episodes. But our adventure for today has come to an end, which means it's time to say goodbye. If you enjoyed this episode, please click that thumbs up button. Next time you're here at Universal's Islands of Adventure, tell them World of Micah sent you. I will see you guys on the next episode. Looking forward to this. I'm sure you guys are too. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. I'll see you guys on the next episode. Stay weird. Goodbye.